Talala. Akalimbo kajeke. Nenga muli mutya, guys. Hope you're fine. I'm here with Mrs. Muongo. Yeah, tubauza kwindi muli mutya. Hope you're fine.
Hi, good morning. Praise God.
Ndoza mumulire. Nenga muli bulungi. We love you so much, guys. Thank you for being on our side. Thank you for being a blessing to us in this journey. For real, we have seen God. We have seen God. Mwebale nnyo okutusabira bannange mikwano gyaffe.
Abatusabidde, abatuwaddeko ssente, abatuwabudde. Thank you so much. Simanyi bwe nsaba bebaza saakuŋŋaanya, like I can't mention anyone. Amannya saaba malayo. But bambi mwebale nnyo okuyimirira naffe. Ffe nga ffe babiri titwandisobodde. But because of you and the love you have for us, twasobodde okubanga we finished everything. Ensigo ze mwasize nsaba zibeere nga zagenze ku ttaka eggimu. When your season comes, Mukama akubiseemu. We love you.
Yeah.